In this tutorial, I'll give you a very short, brief overview of workspaces and what to do if you open up Avid and it looks something like this. Avid has many different workspaces depending on kind of what you're doing within Avid, whether it's editing, color correction, effects, audio work. So there's many different layouts to it. Sometimes when you open it, it may set up something like this. All you have to do is go up to Windows across the top, go to Workspaces, and then go to Restore Current to Default. And that's just going to put everything back to its original look. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You'll say, okay. And then that will pop everything up to the workspace layout that is the original, the default for it, and you should be all good to go.